Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, everyone. It's Friday, and you know what that means? It is now time for the first ever bold review dito sa Season 5 ng ating bold review only on Harriet. And yes, BMX is now offering its first mature movie of the year 2026. So, welcome to Season 5. Let's get through it. And this is the opener of 2026, courtesy of BMX. It is Salikmata, starring Renoa Halili, Errol Carmelo, Alira Raimundo, Jeffrey Hidalgo, and VJ Vera. And this movie is a tough one to watch. Personally kasi, masasabi ko is, this movie is told in reverse. Like, they committed to it na, tara, gawa tayo ng originality sa movie na to. Let's do it like in medias res. Turn it up to 10. I've discussed in medias res format throughout this channel. Pero, sige, ikwento ko na paano yun. Or i-detalye ko na yun paano yun. They show a scene na meron sa pelikula and the movie will retell it all the way to its lead up. So, halimbawa, ang aking perfect explanation dito is yung sa Final Fantasy 15, nagsimula siya dun sa Ifrit fight, which is sa dulo pa ng game, and the rest of the game is leading up to that Ifrit fight. Another Final Fantasy 10 reference dito sa In Medias Res is Tidus. Yung party ni Tidus sa Final Fantasy 10 as a Zanarkand, and the rest of the game will go from the beginning all the way to Zanarkand leading up to this. Dito, it's quite a bit weird. Okay? It's going to be so meta. Trinay ata ng director ng pelikula na to na gawing meta. What I mean by meta defining yung pelikula is they recorded it in reverse. Okay? So the point na nalito ako sa nangyari. Okay? Bakit ako nalito sa nangyari? Kasi umpisa pa lang ng pelikula, nagsimula na sa credits. Ayun. Oo, nagsimula sa credits. And nakita natin na yung simula ng pelikula, nakita natin si Elia Raimundo nagdugo yung kanyang ari, which means nakunan siya, which means nabuntis siya. And dito, parang pinapalabas na dapat maawa tayo sa karakter ni Alia Raimundo. And then we see Errol Carmelo, medyo masama yung ugali niya dito. Like, aba, what is this? So ano yung lead up nito? And it is being told in reverse. And such that, magtataka tayo, bakit kung asawa ni Errol, itong si Alia Raimundo, bakit niya biglang hinalikan itong si Renoa Halili? Ayun. Ito yung ikikwento, pabalik nitong pelikulang Salikmata. Ayun. So, Salikmata is divided into what? 12 chapters? And I am not going to go through each chapter one by one. I'm going to just piece out ano yung mga mahalagang nangyari kaya nauwi tayo sa pagdurugo ni Alia Raimundo. Ayan. So, ang mga karakter dito, una ay si Mercy, yung siya yung ginagampanan ni Rinoa Halili. Okay? Siya yung tipo na childhood friend nitong ni Errol Carmelo na gumaganap sa karakter na si Jordan. Okay. So, bakit na-meet niya si Karina, si Alia Raimundo? Kasi si Alia Raimundo is anak ng mayor. Okay? Anak ng mayor si Alia. Furthermore, makikita natin sa pelikula to, yung build-up is is medyo manipulative itong si Alia Raimundo. Na para sinetap niya yung pinsan ni ni Jordan na si Bruce, si VJ Vera. Simula kasi si VJ Vera sa si Alia yung nagkakangkangan para mareto sa isang medyo virgin na lalaki. At ito ay si Errol Carmelo. Si Errol nangungulila kasi umalis yung kanyang kaibigan si Mercy. At hanggang sa dulo, pagtatalik niya kay Mercy, kahit nagtatalik siya kay Mercy, kay Karina, si Mercy yung naalala niya. Okay, nagtatalik si Jordan sa si Karina, pero si Mercy yung inaalala ni Jordan. Yan. And to the point na umuwi si Mercy, buntis na si Aliyah, at hindi makalabas itong si Jordan sa nakasangkutan niyang iskandalo kasi anak nga ni Mayor itong si Karina. So, yung tipo na dapat i-cheer natin si Karina, dapat cheer natin dito si Errol, si Jordan. Kasi, he is the victim here. At ito ay kalokohan lang ni Karina. At parang na-reverse tuloy yung situation when you get further into these chapters. Ayun. Well, anyway, that is what I got for most of this movie. I'm not gonna go lean into details because mahirap siyang you go backwards 12 to 1. You need first-hand experience on to check out what this film offers, okay, in BMX. So, yeah, that is my take on Salikmata. Okay, so when it comes to review, when it comes to this, we will be going to our tier list. Yeah. And for me, it's simple. I will give Salikmata the scenes are fine. I think the last scene between BJ Vera and Alia Raimundo is the one that I got boned about. Okay, quite frankly. So, who knows? I will give it like a weak tier movie. It's 2 movies in a row na weak. So, kailangan bumawi ang BMX for the rest of this season. Well, let's all discuss the upcoming BMX movies. So, January 9, Friday, we got Best Friends Forever. Okay. We got, that's next week, right? Then 16, Anlihim ni Maria Makinang. That's starring Aiko Garcia and Coda Ceron. And then, this is the one that I'm excited about, Bagong Tukso. It's a movie with Margaret Diaz, Alison Ross, and Apple Celso, Heart Fox. Di ko kilala itong dalawa na to. I think Alison Ross, siya yung nawala? I think, or something? Hindi, si Karen Lopez pa rin. Hindi, namatay yung isa eh. So, my apologies for my mistake. Pero yeah, these 3 are new. Actually, all these 4 are new. Pero pinakilala natin dito si Margaret Diaz kasi nga, balahibang pusa. But anyway, yeah, that's my review for Salikmata. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. Peace!